I know for myself, part of my journey of recovering and not having symptoms from lupus, I have no symptoms now from my lupus. This has been over, I really need to remember the date. It is well over 6 years, probably coming up on 7 years. But I believe it is my Ningxia and then adding minerals and just doing a few other lifestyle changes and just watching, eating really good, a whole food diet, right? Ditching the processed things. So, because when I started on this journey, friends, I loved Doritos, I loved Diet Coke, and I loved wheat thins. But you know what? Those things were not loving my body. And so I just feel so much better. So someone has low blood sugar. Can it help? Yes. It can help regulate. Would it help with blood pressure too? Yes. So there it is, truly every body in the system, these wolfberries can impact in a positive way. So it truly is amazing. All right. I went 1 minute over. I was trying to get done in 30 minutes, but all right, you guys, I hope that was helpful. Again, if you have any questions, you feel free to reach out to me or the person that invited you and shared this recording with you.